So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize database chart inside of Notion. So over here you can see that I have a database and I got the table view and the board view right here. But if I want to see everything as a chart, then you can go ahead and click on the plus button and then choose chart right here just like this as well. So once you go ahead and do that, you can actually see the not started, in progress and done chart right here, just like this. If you want to go ahead and add in a blank chart, then over here on the bottom section, you can go ahead and press last right here just like this and type in chart right here as well. And here you can see that there are various database chart, like even line chart, donut chart, horizontal chart right here just like this. So you can go ahead and choose the one you like as well. But over here, there is actually nothing right here. You have to upgrade the plan for it. So let me just go ahead on to, let's say, for example, regular chart right here. So you don't have anything right now. That is because I don't have the data. But for the data that you have, you'll actually see the chart like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize database chart inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe